Hi everyone, I'm Mary Spicer. Today we're going to make one of my family's favorite cookies, the Forgotten Cookie. You're going to need a mixer, a mixing bowl and beaters, 2 pans, half a cup of mini chocolate chips, a half a cup of sugar, 2 egg whites, and if you want to, you can use a decorator's bag and tip. First, take your mixing bowl and your beater and put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Second, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Third, mix your egg whites on high. Fourth, slowly stir in sugar until stiff peaks form. Fifth, gently stir in the mini chocolate chips, but don't let the meringue deflate. Sixth, put the cookies on the cookie sheet. Turn the oven off, put the cookies in, and close the door. And in the morning, your cookies are ready. Wow. Happy holidays to you and yours. I think I've got plenty here. And I will eat this one.